yan na nga ang nasabi ng mga 18 mula sa SB19 Ken Bias page. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, SB19 is joining the Lollapalooza 2026 lineup in Chicago, the first Filipino act to conquer this legendary stage. SB19 achieved a Lollapalooza performance through relentless independent growth, building a massive dedicated fan base 18 and producing high-quality, world-class performances under their own company 1Z Entertainment rather than relying on major label backing. Their organic rise and chart-topping success as a Filipino act drove this major international opportunity. Independent growth SB19's journey focusing on performance-based growth and establish their own company One's Entertainment, built credibility for major international stages. Massive fan support. Their fan base 18 has been crucial, supporting the group in reaching significant milestones. Talent and quality. The group is recognized for their talent, producing top-tier, world-class performances. 18. Heto na, Noy Pinoy Pinoy Pi. Sa inyo mga fans, nakaka-proud talaga kayo mahalima kahit hanggang ngayon sa pinapanood ko pa din ang Akon 2025 performance. Naninindig pa din ang balahibo ko at nakakapangilid ng luha. Hindi ko lubos maisip kung anong mararamdaman ko na naman sa darating na bagong event na ito. Mabuhay kayo, maraming salamat sa pagpapakilala sa buong mundo kung gaano katalentado ang mga Pilipino. Lollapalooza for sure hindi lang sila sa Chicago magpa-perform. Nako, mawawasak talagang stage na yan sa aming mahalima. Grabe na iiyak ako habang binabasa ko to, nakaka-proud as 18 ng SB19. May mangwawasak na ng stage. Tuloy-tuloy na ang pagwasak, Ken. Well, narito pa ang naging say ng ilan pang mga fans. Anila, SB19, this is better than Coachella. Naiyak sa sobrang saya para sa limang bano. 400,000 capacity act, good luck boys. Isang malaking wow para sa ating mahal na SB19 dahil unti-unti nyo nang naaabot ang mga pangarap nyong mag-perform at ipagmalaki ang OPM. So ito na naman po ang pakakaabangan, ang performance ng SB19 sa Coachella na may 400,000 na manunood. Yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.